So, your Lulzbot stops turning on and you're panicking because you think you just broke a really expensive printer. Don't worry, there is a good chance you just blew a fuse. In this video, I'll show you how to check if that's the case. I'll be demonstrating with the Taz Pro, but the idea is the same in the other models, but your circuit board might look a little different. First, let's go over some precautions. While you're working on your machine, make sure you're grounded. If you can, don't stand on a carpet and remove any staticky clothing like sweatshirts. This will prevent any unwanted static charge transferring into your Lulzbot. Second precaution, turn off your machine and unplug it. This is both for your safety and your machine's safety. To get to the fuses, we need to open up the side panel. Grab your Allen key and unscrew each of these. You'll see a whole bunch of stuff inside. Locate the main board, which should be behind the control panel screen. These are the three fuses we'll be checking. Notice the numbers on them. We have two 5 amp and one 15 amp. The amp rating signifies the maximum amount of current that can flow through that part of the circuit. If you exceed the amp rating, the fuse blows. These fuses are for the hot end and the heated bed. If you want to get more information about the board itself, it's called an Archim2. Before we take out the fuses, let's take a look at what we'll be looking for. A fuse is made up of two prongs that are connected by a piece of metal in the middle. When the fuse is good, you'll see that it's intact. When it's blown, the piece in the middle is discontinuous. So let's check each fuse, one at a time. If the fuse is good, make sure you put it back before you take out the next one. It's very important these fuses don't get mixed up. Once you've located your blown fuse, let's replace it. If you don't already have a spare fuse to use, you can grab a box. I'll have a link down in the description for the assortment of fuses I bought. There's nothing special about the fuses you need, these are just standard fuses. Grab a new fuse that matches the amp rating of the fuse you're replacing and just pop it in. Now, let's give it a try. And it works! I hope this helped fix your current printer issue. Be sure to give us a like and a subscribe to help support our channel, and feel free to leave any feedback in the comment section. Okay, bye!